Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this page isn't available at the moment in Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to open anything, you find a message that this page isn't available in Facebook or at the moment. So let's see how can you easily fix that. So now to fix that, very first you have to try to refresh your network because it might be your network issue. Now to fix that issue, you just have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and stronger network connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open your app store here. Go for search, you have to simply search for Facebook and you have to try to update your Facebook app. If you find any pending update here, try to update your Facebook app. Then go back, open your settings app here. Go for general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with the VPN and then go back and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed, you just have to open your settings again. Go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It would reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this, and after doing that your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, it might be your Facebook app issue, so you just have to go for general again, go for iPhone storage section, look for Facebook app here, tap on offload app, or you can also try to delete app. So after that you just have to reinstall app. If you have deleted, you cannot find it here. You have to open your app store and reinstall the app from here, and after doing that it will be fixed the issue, or if there will be any junk or any virus in your Facebook app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that you will be able to open anything on your Facebook app. Just wait for the reinstallation process. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.